Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Septian. I'm an audio only channel that does true wireless stereo earbuds and in-ear monitors, and today I'm going to be talking about the OnePlus Buds Pro in matte black. Now the price on these on Amazon is $136.40 for the matte black, and for the glossy white they're $131.50. I don't know why the black costs more than the white on Amazon, but regular price is $149.99 on OnePlus store. I wouldn't pay sticker price for these. I'll go ahead and just get these from Amazon. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a mic test in a quiet environment so you know what the mics sound like. I'll be right back. This is a mic test of the OnePlus Buds Pro in a quiet environment. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Now let me go ahead and give you a quick unboxing of the OnePlus Buds Pro. This is a simple box. Just lift up the lid. Buds are right here. Nice matte black finish all the way around. There's a little card. It says press area because these earbuds have pressure sensitive controls on the stem. Pull out this white insert. Here are the stock tips because surprise surprise, I got spin fits on these. Now it says right here Buds for Life. In this box you'll find the user manual inside and a little quick start guide, well actually user guide, and a little warranty booklet. And then you get your accessories. In this little box you got this is a nice presentation. You got the large and medium, or large and small tips. And this little pull away window thing lets you see what's inside. And in this box will be the USB cable. Now I haven't looked at this, so I'm assuming this is going to be either red. I don't think this is going to be the standard black one. I knew it. USB A to USB Type C, red charging cable, a little mini one. So that's pretty much it on the unboxing. Put all that stuff back in here. And let's talk about the sound quality. The sound on these is really good. It's good deep bass. Like the mid bass, it has that punch. It sounds really well with rap and R&B music and rock. I've noticed that when you kind of tweak the sound inside of the settings, you get vocals that are pushed forward, and there's plenty of detail. So while they're not really dark, they're a mix, to me, in my ears, they're a mix between a V-shaped sound signature and a balanced sound signature. And I'll talk a little more about that later because I'm going to be showing you the app. Now, as far as the ANC and the transparency mode, the noise canceling that OnePlus implemented, what they call smart adaptive noise cancellation, to adapt to your surrounding sounds. It has 3 modes. It has faint, it has smart, and it has extreme. Faint is the weakest and extreme is the strongest. The ANC does well with blocking out wind noise, but not the droning of a fan, and voices do kind of seep in. It works with most low noises, but anything above 60 decibels comes through. So they work as advertised. Their advertises blocking out like 40 decibels of noise. So most noises above that, they'll kind of seep through. Anything below that, they'll block it out. So I give the noise cancellation a 3 out of 5. Now moving on to the transparency. The ambient mode on the Buds Pro, they're fully transparent. All the sounds come in clearly in my testing. With TVs and fans and YouTube videos playing, I can hear everything clearly. So I give the transparency a 4 out of 5. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my Nord Core Edition phone. I already got the settings set up right here. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a OnePlus Buds Pro, and you got the battery life on the left and right and on the case. Very convenient. So I'm gonna click on this cog. You're gonna take me deeper into the settings, and I am going to click on headphones. So as you can see here, you got the noise control setting, because the OnePlus Buds app is built into Oxygen OS. This FYI, if you have a OnePlus 6 or higher and you're running the latest version of Android, which as I'm recording this video, most of the OnePlus phones are still running Android 11 or Oxygen 11. Also, another FYI, if you're using a OnePlus phone that's T-Mobile branded, you're not going to be able to get this. You're going to have to, search in the Play Store and download the app, and hopefully it will work. But if not, just make sure that you're updated to the latest version of Oxygen OS. I think these settings only work if you have like stock Oxygen OS. I remember when I had my OnePlus 8, it was T-Mobile branded. I had to unlock the bootloader, and then I had to download like a download tool so I could get like the stock version of Oxygen OS. And once I did that, then all of these settings started to show up. So you got the earbuds controls here. You got pinch the earbud stem once, that's pause and play, and that works on the left and the right. You pinch the earbud stem twice, that's next track. You pinch them 3 times, that's previous track. And pinch and hold is noise cancellation. And you can cycle through and turn off the ANC or the transparency mode. You also get some special features like Zen Mode Air. You press and hold the stem for 3 seconds to play white noise. You also, okay, this is a cool feature. This is awesome. So what this is, hold on. Let me turn the music off. Turn it off. Oh my God. Why is this music not turning? Okay, music's not turning off. I don't know why it's not turning off. Let me just close the case for a minute. Okay, so ear fit test. Okay, now it's not. Okay, fine. Let me take them out. Okay, there you go. OnePlus Buds Pro. Little dialog window pops up. Boom. Okay, earbud fit test. So what this does is it makes sure that you have a good seal. So it'll play like some little music, like a little tone, like it's like a ringtone. And then once the ringtone is over, it'll let you know it's there. I got a good seal. And see other features we have here. We got inner detection, and you can choose to turn that on or off. I leave that on because that is a clutch feature. And you also have something called OnePlus Auto ID. Now this is exactly like the Soundcore app, where you take a test and it does like based on your hearing. So it comes up with like an enhancement. So it's personalized for your ears. For some reason mine is turned off, so I'm gonna turn that on, and that basically gives you a sound boost. And then boom, I'm not gonna show you like what it does. Basically all it is you hear a bunch of like tones playing in your left ear, and then you press the screen to let it know that you heard it, and then it goes to the right ear and it does the same thing. And it builds a whole like profile and stuff, so it'll be tuned to your ears. And then you got quick start guide that's basically showing you what the controls are, and then auto update the firmware, and then allow updates with mobile data and all that good stuff. So now that we got that out of the way, I'm gonna go ahead and give a comparison between the Buds Pro and the other OnePlus Buds I recently reviewed not too long ago, the OnePlus Buds Z. So first off, the Buds Pro, they have hybrid active noise cancellation because you can cut it off. The OnePlus Buds Z do not. The OnePlus Buds Pro also has wireless charging, and the Buds Z do not have that either. Now, one thing they do have in common is they're both rated at IP55, dust and water resistant. The Buds Pro has a 11mm dynamic driver inside. The Buds Z has a 10mm. The Buds Pro has an auto ID it's a sound profile that's personalized for your hearing. The Buds Z does not have that. Also warp charge. Now this is really good. Now warp charge, 10 minutes, whether it's wireless or wired charging, 10 minutes just gets you 10 hours on the Buds Z. The Buds Pro. The Buds Z, they also have the same thing, but it's 10 minutes will give you 3 hours. Now the playtime on the earbuds is 5 hours for the Buds Pro with ANC on and 7 hours with ANC off. Now since the Buds Z doesn't have ANC, it's just 5 hours on a single charge. Now for the playtime on the charging case, you get 28 hours with ANC on and 38 with ANC off. With the Buds Z, you get 20. The Buds Pro has 3 mics. The Buds Z have 2. They both support Dolby Atmos. The Buds Pro has Bluetooth 5.2 and the Buds Z has Bluetooth 5.0, but they both support SBC and AAC. No LDAC on these. I would love an update for the OnePlus Buds Pro app so these could support like LDAC. Whew, that would be nice. Hell, even aptX adaptive, that would be a nice update. And last but not least, they both have optical sensors on them, so they have inner detection, and they're both supported by the OnePlus Buds app. So also price, like I said before, on Amazon the black is $136, and on Amazon the Buds Z are I think less than $40. I think they're $39.99 for the black and the white. Okay, now I'll be moving over to can I go deaf. First off, I'll be testing the OnePlus Buds Pro and seeing how loud they get. Got my decimal meter already set up, and let me see. Gotta figure out how to. Where's the little? Okay, there it is. I should have turned off inner detection. Okay, so I got these on max volume on Apple Music. So I got 110, 108, 105, 107. Okay, so far so good. These get pretty loud. Okay, 109, 111. Okay. 108, 113. Okay, these get pretty loud. Good. Okay. Now, gonna be moving over to the OnePlus Buds Z. See how loud they get. All right. Same song, same test. All right. Okay, 110, 106, 110 again. Okay, 107, 109. Okay, it looks like the OnePlus Buds Pro, they get a little louder. Let me make sure I got it on there. Okay, 100. Okay, wait a minute. 112. Okay, 110. See if it go any higher. 108, 111. Look like they get loud. Look like they both are pretty loud. Let me see. Okay, that bass is coming in, but it's not being muddy. You know, there's no distortion. And I can hear Ty loud and clear. Ty, dollar sign. Yeah, they get pretty loud. Both the Z and the Buds Pro, they get really loud. That's great. I like that. Good products by OnePlus. Don't know about their phones though. So in conclusion to the review, I like the Buds Pro. I like the satin finish. I like the profile of the case. I like this hinge on here on this thing. I like the buds themselves. I like the controls, although I would like some volume controls. The Pixel Buds A series with Google, you get a widget where you can easily access the controls. That's the only thing holding the Buds Pro back is the controls. It's really cumbersome to have to go into Bluetooth settings or your phone settings and having to tweak and adjust and, you know, customize everything. Other than that, you know, as far as sound quality goes And you know, the stock tips, for anybody wondering, you don't have to go buy spin fits. They do fit good, so they offer, you know, good passive ISO noise cancellation. So they're a good buy. I mean, if you have a OnePlus phone and you're a fan of OnePlus, then I would suggest that you get these. Of course, if you want to save some money, you don't really care about ANC, then get the Buds Z. These are also a very good value buy. They work with OnePlus phones as well, and you know, other Android phones. Just download the Hey Melody app. So with that concludes the review. So be sure to like, share, and comment on this video. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and do that and click the bell icon so you'll be notified when I post new videos. And with that, enjoy your life, enjoy your sound. I'll see you next time.